what a beautiful day out here at hiłsyaqlliis, aka the Tranquil River here in Tla-o-qui-aht territory, and I'm currently standing on an RST, or a Rotary Screw Trap, that we installed here just about a week ago. Now this really cool contraption works to trap juvenile fish migrating downriver, so we can get more accurate counts and metrics on the health of these different species of fish, as well as when they're moving based on weather and environmental conditions. So basically, this big metal cone thing here has metal corkscrewing dividers in it that cause it to turn with the water current. That creates a funnel that small fish traveling downstream get sucked into and collected in the back, where they're sorted by size, with bigger fish in this front compartment here and smaller fish in the back. Now we set and monitor this trap daily, so these fish are never in here for more than 24 hours before being released, but this gives us a much more accurate understanding of the species in the river and how well their populations are doing than, say, the juvenile counts we do while swimming these rivers. See, most of these fish migrate at night, and as you guessed, it's pretty difficult to swim and count fish at night, so we do that during the day, but results here can vary pretty drastically. For example, on our most recent swim, we counted about a dozen juvenile chum salmon that we were able to spot, yet this trap has been collecting over 2,000 every night. So this RST collects a majority of passing fish that we would otherwise have a hard time knowing exist, which allows us to get much more accurate understanding of their numbers and health and how well they're responding to the various restoration projects we have going on here. It's pretty neat, and the best part is always letting go at the end of each day. Be free, little fishies, be free.